Grok just locked you out. Sora is paywalled. Runway costs $50 a month, and you still need to create AI videos for free today, right now. Don't close this tab. I'm about to show you 5 secret AI video generators that almost nobody knows about, all completely free and unlimited in 2026. Before we dive in, if you find even one of these tools useful, drop a comment below telling me which one blew your mind. Let's see which tool wins. Now, let's get into it. The first tool almost no one can access because the sign-up page is entirely in Chinese. Visit video.hunuan.tens.com. When you see the login screen, choose the email option, enter your email, and click to get your OTP. If you get a security verification failed error, here's the fix. Go to Google, search for Urban VPN Proxy Chrome extension, install it, and set your location to China. Go back to the site, refresh, enter your email again, and this time the OTP will go through. Log in, and you'll land on a dashboard with 4 options: text to video, image to video, lip sync, and motion drive. Paste your prompt, hit generate, and your free AI video is ready in minutes. Tool number 2 runs on Seedance 2.0, one of the most powerful video models right now. Switch your Urban VPN to Hong Kong and visit duba.com. Translate the page to English, sign up, enter your prompt, hit send, and your AI video is generated in seconds. The quality here is genuinely impressive for something completely free. For tool 3, visit the link on screen. Click try, sign up, log in, upload your image, paste your prompt, click generate, and within minutes your video is ready. And this one works especially well for image to video transformations. The motion looks smooth and natural. Tool 4 is AI, and this one shocked me. Sign up, log in, click generate video, enter your prompt, hit send, and within seconds it spits out AI videos. Look at the quality on screen right now. That is free. No watermark, no time limit. Insane. Now my absolute favorite, and it's from Google. Visit flow.google.com, sign up, and log in. You get 150 free AI credits every single day, and you can generate videos using the VO 3.1 model for free. For pro features, click upgrade. The first month is completely free. This is the most powerful free AI video tool available right now, and most people have no idea it exists. Alright, you now have 5 free unlimited AI video generators that most creators are sleeping on. Here's what I want you to do. Pick the one that surprised you the most and drop its name in the comments. Or better yet, tell me which one you think will be banned or shut down first. I read every comment and I'll pin the most interesting one. If this video saved you money today, hit the like button and subscribe. I drop tools like these every week that the algorithm won't show you unless you're subscribed. See you in the next one.